Even if you don't really understand what NFT is, you must have heard a lot about it on the news. According to the Wall Street Journal definition, NFTs are Bitcoin-like digital tokens that act like a certification of ownership that live on a blockchain. A typical NFT can be a piece of digital art that looks just like this, which happens to be the world's most expensive NFT, sold at a price of $100 million. You may ask, why can't I just copy and paste this picture and make it mine? Well, technically speaking, copying the picture doesn't make it yours. Each NFT has its own hash keys that are stored in a blockchain permanently, which means the ownership of an NFT is unique and cannot be deprived. Unlike other blockchain-based technologies such as Bitcoin, NFTs cannot be divided into smaller units and must be sold in one piece. The creator of an NFT art can decide how many copies can be sold, thus dictating the scarcity of a digital product. Thanks to blockchain technology, the ownership, title transfers, and transaction of an NFT can all be traced and is transparent to everyone. NFT technology solves many problems we currently face in the digital innovation industry. It transfers digital properties that were once virtual and intangible into something that can be certified and permanently saved. The traceability of NFT can be used to fight counterfeit products, while big companies and brands can issue time-limited special edition digital products to fans and collectors. Digital designers like you and I can also utilize this technology and create things of value that live on the internet forever. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You're watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next video.